G'day, Andrew here from Tegral. We're here today to introduce a product that we've been asked for time and time again. So we've developed it and got it ready for market. It's the Trident holder to allow you to position your Trident angle placement tool. So this allows you to mount and keep your Trident stored in the areas that you need them the most. So in your loading out area, your loading docks, or where it's safe to do so in your trailer. So basically it's a folded piece of stainless at the top and at the bottom. It's got 6mm mounting holes. It's got 4 mounting holes at the top and 2 at the bottom. So basically it allows you to securely affix it to any surface. So it simply works as follows. Slide it into the top and simply clip it into the bottom. So we supply it on our website. It's available as a package with fixings. Call us today if you've got any questions. Thank you.